You know, the president's policies are not helping our economy. Matter of fact, a lot of people would argue that his policies are actually making it worse. And when you look at the president's budget submission on Monday, it shows a real lack of leadership. This will be the fourth budget that will have over $1 trillion worth of budget deficit. And when you add the budget deficits up over the president's submissions over the last 4 years, we're talking about over $5 trillion worth of new debt. No real activity when it comes to cutting spending. And when you look at the budget, you'll see $1.5 trillion worth of new tax revenue over the next 10 years, and $1.9 trillion worth of new tax revenue, and $1.5 trillion worth of more spending. What we need in our economy is to get control of our spending, cut spending, keep taxes low in order to get more Americans back to work. Our focus all year has been on jobs. We got 30 jobs bills that are sitting over in the United States Senate. If the president's serious about getting our economy going again, he'll call Harry Reid and tell the Senate Democrats, consider these bills. They all passed the House with broad bipartisan support, and they deserve consideration in the United States Senate so that we can, in fact, put the American people back to work.